I'm glad to present Meteodyn, meso-micro scale method. This method is developed for the nearshore wind resource assessment. We want to use the meso-scale wind climate data to consider the thermal effect in the microscale wind simulations. We expect a robust and time-saving solutions. Here we used the statistical downscaling approach. The climate data, like the temperature, the heat flux, and the humidities, are rarely resolved in the microscale wind simulation model, but they impact a lot the wind flows. We obtain the climate data in the meso-scale model. The time series data are classified in the directions and in the thermal stabilities to obtain the statistical wind profiles. Then these statistical wind profiles are introduced into Meteodyn range models as the ignition and the boundary conditions. These wind profiles are also used as the body forces to relax the microscale flows to the meso-scale wind profiles. We use this coupling method at large coastal areas of 101 kilometers in the western part of India, in the state of Maharashtra, south of the city Pune. There we have two weather stations located on the mountains with altitudes of more than 1 kilometer. One weather station is located on the coast. We also have 1 year's master measurement at 𝗥𝗲𝘁. The wind speed and the wind directions vary according to season. For the two dominant wind directions, the west and the east, we want to compare 3 approaches: the meso-scale approach, the microscale approach, and the coupling approach, in considering the thermal stability. We can see the result in the figure 2 and 3. We find that we obtain the better wind distributions with the meso-micro scale coupling approach. Thanks for your attention.